everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add gift card on Roblox. If you've got a gift card from Roblox and you'd like to add it to your account, then here's how to do it. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Start off by opening up your web browser and type in the URL www.roblox.com and search. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account, and once you are, from the main home page, go to the left-hand side menu. You'll be able to see an option that says Gift Card. Give it a click. On the next page, you should see this kind of an interface. If you'd like to buy a gift card for Roblox, you can click on Buy a Gift Card button and follow the on-screen prompts. If you already have an account and you'd like to use it or add it, tap on Redeem Card button in the upper right-hand corner. Type in the code that is available at the back of your gift card into the code text field. Finally, click on Redeem beneath, and that is how you'll be able to add a gift card for Roblox. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.